campaign in the Hyderabad civic polls has picked up pace after the high decibel campaign launched by the BJP, the beeline of top leaders, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister yesterday talking about renaming Hyderabad. Today, Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be arriving to kickstart the poll campaign. Let's go right across to my colleague Uma Sudhir, who's tracking the details of the story. Uma, what are we likely to see happen today?
Rishika, Mr. Amit Shah is expected to arrive at the Bhagyalakshmi temple, which is in fact abutting the Charminar, the 439-year-old monument that symbolizes Hyderabad. That temple is where he has chosen to come. That's where he will start his campaign in a sense today. There will be a puja there, after which he is expected to go on a road show in the Sikandrabad area from the Varsiguda Chaurasta to the Sitafal Mandi area. This will be at least a couple of hours, and then he is at the party office for some time and then returns later in the evening to Delhi is what we are told. But very, very interesting that they have chosen the Bhagyalakshmi temple to start the visit, because the state BJP president, Mr. Bandi Sanjay, has been talking about that as a symbolism of Hindutva and said that he presumes that if there is a BJP victory, he will start his victory rally, in fact, from the Bhagyalakshmi temple. And he says that the MIM and other parties seem to object to that. And he says that they seem to suggest that that's in Pakistan. His suggestion being that in the old city area of Hyderabad, there are a lot of infiltrators, supposedly Rohingyas, Pakistanis and others. This has been one of the issues that many BJP leaders have been speaking about. But of course, the Chief Minister has rebutted that, and the TRS has in fact said that if there are so many infiltrators, it is Mr. Amit Shah himself who will be in a sense responsible. But yes, a galaxy of leaders descending on Hyderabad. Today, Mr. Amit Shah is coming in, last day of campaigning for the municipal elections, which in many senses, the tempo had risen to make it not just an assembly election, but almost like a Lok Sabha election. And yesterday, Mr. Yogi Adityanath, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, who was in Hyderabad, spoke not just about attacking the TRS and the MIM as a family and friend party, but he also spoke about renaming Hyderabad as Bhagyanagar, something that sentimentally would not go with Hyderabadis, I guess. And the Chief Minister in his public meeting, in fact, spoke about not allowing outsiders to come into Hyderabad. And he spoke in Telugu, he spoke in Hindi, he spoke in English to try and appeal to all communities to say that these are divisive forces that are coming into Hyderabad. I must point out that the Chief Minister himself was a voice of rebellion and dissent in the run-up to the formation of a separate Telangana. But now he's talking about unity, and he's saying that these forces coming in will change the face of Hyderabad. And if you want your Hyderabad to remain the same, he's talking for peace, he's saying save Hyderabad and therefore vote for my party. Whereas the BJP is saying that these are all divisive forces, and only when you vote for a national party like the BJP will Hyderabad prosper. Back to you.